I have like all my clothes in a pile over here for my closet clean out, and then I also have stuff from my shoot yesterday all over the floor. So nothing worse than coming back to a super messy apartment. Am I right? We just went to the grocery store to get some stuff for Friendsgiving tonight, and then we have to make some stuff. We're making, well, when I say we, I mean Alex. We all signed up for different foods. I saw Jill doing a face mask in preparation for our Friendsgiving tonight. So Jill, you inspired me to do a face mask. I haven't done a face mask in so long. Because I feel like sometimes I just don't do anything, but this one I actually really like. Morgan and Giselle are hosting. I'm so excited. V-pumped. Morgan and Giselle are amazing hosts, as always. If you follow Morgan on TikTok especially, you will know. She goes ham for a party. Alex is making potatoes au gratin, I think, and then some like pomegranate Brussels sprouts. They look so good. Cannot go wrong with a good Brussels, am I right? I used to hate Brussels sprouts. I don't know what was wrong with me. I think I was just triggered because they smelled like feet whenever my roommate made them, and I walked in from night class and I was like, this is offensive. But once you try a Brussels that's cooked properly, like super charred and brown and has all the right seasoning, oh my god, life changing. Also gonna do some of these eye patches once I finish this face mask, just to give it some extra zhuzh, honestly, because I just never use these and I have like a stockpile of them. While this is doing her thing, I'm gonna put this in the freezer just so that it gets a little chilled. I think I'm gonna clean my room a little bit, get a little head start. Hi, hello, Future Caitlin popping in here to thank today's sponsor, which is The Buckle. Guys, if you were looking for some fall and winter pieces, some basics, staples, all of the goods, I have picked out the cutest pieces from The Buckle. I'm gonna do a quick little try on. Like, I'm sorry, the coziest cardigans that feel like a blanket. Everything I picked out is exclusive to Buckle, so if you wanna shop any of these pieces, I will link them down below. And I've also included my sizing on everything in the description box as well, but let's dive in because these are so cute. First, I picked up this sweatshirt sweater, and it's my new favorite. I've been wearing this constantly. It's so comfortable. It feels like a blanket. And for that reason and that reason alone, you need it. I have been living in this. I feel like it's the perfect winter sweater. It also has this exposed detailing. This is definitely one that you can easily tuck. I got a lot of questions recently on my Instagram asking me how I've been tucking my sweatshirts. I'll just wear either a cami or a bra underneath, but we literally just tuck and roll, baby. We just tuck it in. Boom, boom. You can do it all the way around, just in the front, wherever you want it. But yeah, I am living for the sweatshirt. It is perfection. But speaking of perfection are these pants, you guys. I feel like the Gen Zers would be so proud of me. These are the OG yoga pants, okay? Don't get it twisted. But I've been seeing everybody wear these pants, and I just needed some in my life. First of all, are high-waisted, which we love. So they're like obviously the regular OG kind of yoga pant, but they have that cut in the middle, flared action, which I've been seeing all over all my blogger friends on Instagram and on Pinterest, and I'm just like, I need, you know, at first I was like, been there, done that, but you know what? I just reverted right back. And I feel like this would be good too if you're even a little bit taller, because they are a little bit long on me, but I still feel like I can get away with them when I wear more of like a platform or like a sneaker. I feel like this would be like the perfect travel pant. This outfit has been on repeat. When you want a comfy pant, don't want to wear jeans, want to lounge but still look cute, this is the vibe. Another item I was absolutely drooling over was this sweatshirt. I never clicked so fast. I'm not usually one for color, as you guys know, but I just could not pass this up. I feel like it's kind of like a jewel tone vibe, but how cool are these details? I have it rolled up, by the way, so I'll show you what it looks like when I'm not rolling it up, but I just wanted to show you both ways. This really cute little V detailing. I feel like The Buckle always has really cute details on their sweatshirts. And this is what it looks like, just kind of open like this. You can actually make it a little bit longer. The band here at the bottom is a little bit tighter, so I just kind of like to pull it under like this, even if I'm wearing it longer, just to kind of make it a little bit more flattering, but super cute. I honestly would go up even more sizes than I did, just to have more of that oversized look, which I normally prefer with my sweatshirts. Yeah, this is super comfy and soft, and like this is what the inside looks like. Yeah, it's a must. So comfortable. Next, I picked up this cropped plaid jacket. How freaking perfect is this? I'm just saying, Buckle, you nailed it. I don't know if you can tell the material, but it's actually pretty warm. Like, you might still need to wear a long sleeve under this, obviously, if it's really cold where you live, but surprisingly warm. And then the buttons also have this really pretty detail on them. And I feel like this jacket is just super flattering. It has this cinched kind of bottom right here, so it hits at like the perfect spot, and it's just So cute. I'd probably wear this more with jeans. And also have like these little thumb holes. Yes. The buckle also has so many great staple pieces like basics and camis for like $10 or under. It's insane. So I picked out this cami. I love this so much, but I was immediately drawn to this one because it reminded me how I have so many basics and tanks and layering pieces that are white and black, but I don't really have any that are brown. So I figured this would be like a good wardrobe staple. I'm constantly wearing tops like this and just layering different jackets over it. And I love the lace detailing on this. It honestly reminds me of like an OG Caitlyn cami, and this lace detailing on the back too. So also has adjustable straps. So like, thank goodness, because I'm always looking for that when it comes to my camis. Speaking of layering pieces, you can honestly layer this next mesh top that I got with this same cami. Otherwise, I would just wear like a normal, probably just a nude bra underneath it so that it kind of blends in. But how cute is this mesh top? I feel like this is the perfect layering piece for fall and winter, especially if you have like a brown leather jacket or something. I feel like that looks so cute over this. The detail, are you kidding me? I thought this was such a fun, like versatile piece that you can obviously just wear as its own because it's such a fun little pop of pattern, but also would make a really great layering piece, especially during this time of year when you're wearing so many layers upon layers. I always gravitate towards something like this because then I'm still getting a little bit of layer, but even when I put a jacket or like a cardigan over top of this, I don't feel like I'm wearing as many layers of fabric as I am. Such fun holiday vibes. I would definitely wear this with a brown skirt or even like some brown high-waisted pants or like leather pants would be so cute. Oh my God, I feel like such a Jennifer right now. This is not how I wear it. I just wanted to show you how long this tank actually goes, because if you have a long torso, which I know a lot of us do, this would be the perfect tank top. I know that can be so hard to find ones that actually fit your torso. I'm kind of the opposite problem. I have a really short torso, so I will be tucking this in, but I did want to show you how versatile it is. Really love the straight detail of this. Hopefully you can see this. It's actually double lined right here on the chest area, so it's not actually a built-in bra. And this is how I actually wear it, so I just tuck it in. Normally I'm just wearing these with jeans and other pants, so it's not going to like show through any lines or anything, but I've been wearing this constantly. And then I also got the cutest little cardigan. It's honestly should be labeled a blanket because it's so soft. Like you can just tell how comfortable and soft this cardigan is. It's even softer than that first white sweater that I showed, which is like saying something because that one also feels like a blanket, but this one is just, this one is next level. This is going on my gift guides because this is just, it's a go-to. Who doesn't want to be comfortable? I'm like so cold the past week here in LA and I have just been living in this at night because I'm just like frigid. We also have pockets, ladies. Add to cart, you're welcome. My last outfit, I obviously had to pick out a classic flannel because you can't go wrong. Loved this color palette. I didn't have any like this. Most of my flannels are surprisingly like not neutrals, but I thought this one was so cute. And what makes this one different is it's really fuzzy soft. I don't know if you can see that. Tortoiseshell buttons. I mean, stop. I got this in a medium and I feel like it's the perfect amount of like oversized, kind of that like I stole my boyfriend's flannel. Bringing this to the Midwest with me because I mean, it's a vibe. And then lastly, I picked up these jeans, which they have so many jeans, you guys. I don't even know if you're aware, but I wanted to pick out ones that like I just don't have anything like it in my wardrobe because I'm trying to like fill in the blanks, fill in those spots in my wardrobe. But I was looking for a pair like this in this wash because I have kind of a balloon style jean that I'm obsessed with that I've been wearing for the past year, and they're like a washed black color. So these ones really reminded me of it, but they were like a fraction of the cost. But I love a good baggy denim. These are true to size. They fit so perfectly. And I feel like baggy denim right now is obviously so in, but these aren't too baggy. Also fits me really well in the waist area. And these came rolled and they were the perfect length on me, but you can unroll them and they're not like stitched or anything. Okay, I almost forgot this last outfit, but here's a little overview featuring my morning voice. Love this crop sweater. It's kind of that stone sage color. It's super flattering. I've been wearing this going to Pilates just over my leggings like this. And then these leggings I'm so obsessed with. I picked these out because they reminded me a lot of my leggings that you guys went crazy over on my Instagram recently, because it has that same crisscross kind of detail right here, which I find is super flattering. They also come in black. This texture is so fun. It's kind of like that honeycomb vibe. Yeah, I think they're super cute. Again, if you want to shop any of these pieces, they are exclusive to the buckle, so I will link them down in the description box below, along with all of my sizing, and let me know in the comments what you get. Let's get back to the vlog. Obviously didn't finish cleaning my room, but I did make some progress. And I am listening to Atomic Habits like as an audiobook while I'm doing it, so I just feel more inspired. And I'm gonna keep listening to that as I do my makeup. The Brussels bee a cooking, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to do my makeup. About to get my period, so I am breaking out like a biatch. Alex and I were just looking at Morgan's Instagram stories, and her setup, her and Giselle's setup for our Friendsgiving looks amazing. But like, what do you expect from a Virgo rising? Actually, I think the dress that I'm gonna be wearing is like a high neck, so I might not put foundation down there. I love how it's already getting dark.
These are big questions, and many people aren't sure where to begin, but they do know what kind of results.
Okay guys, it's been a minute. Finished with makeup obviously. This is the final look. I will show you. I'll show you what we're working with. We're getting a little saucy for some Friendsgiving. Here is the Friendsgiving look. We are giving friends looks tonight. We're serving up the sauce, baby. And then I pulled out these earrings, which I have not worn in a hot minute, but figured they'd be fun. It's actually surprisingly very comfortable. So I'm just gonna wear it with some strappy black heels, which I've just been delaying putting on until I like get in the car. So this is Alex's cutie little fit. Looking so cute. We had a little mishap in the kitchen.
Sliced my finger.
He sliced the phalange.
A good chunk of it too.
Yeah, it was a good chunk, and it was in like the potato mandolin, so disgusting.
I had to peel out the chunk of my finger out of the mandolin.
So gross. Disgusting. I had to finish off the potatoes because that was not working. Excuse you. Are you being a sass? I'm gonna miss you. Happy Friendsgiving, pup. Look at this. Stop it. Like the hostess with the most. Stop it. Look how pretty. Morgan, here's our hostess with the most.
Can't even look at this food because it's too good. So let's eat. Yeah.
Giselle with the mood lighting. This is so cute. Look at my little friend. Connor, you're the head of the table, so you have to give a speech.
Oh, don't worry. I already am starting.
I'm excited. Happy Friendsgiving! Oh, this is so
Looking for something dry.
These are sommelier. This is inappropriate. So nice of you.
A lot of talky for someone sitting down.
So nice of you to be our professional, personal sommelier tonight.
I don't know him.
I've never met him in my life. Telephone. Telephone.
Me too.
Alright. Like what? We're playing telephone.
They're making so well.
Are my teeth purple yet? Kinda. Did we get the telephone correctly? Who started it? Did Jill start this? I don't know. That was not what we had. Did you, Jake? You look guilty. Oh yeah, I blame Connor. We were wholesome. Okay, Connor started the next round of telephone. I love the reaction on Victoria's face. Okay.
I love
I feel like Alex is gonna I feel like you changed the.
No, it didn't.
Okay. I need a physical proof that I'm taking a shot.
Yo, what happened to Call Me Baby, bro?
This is what dreams are made of. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, it's yellow. You put it on a
Mustard.
cheese and cheddar.
Honey.
When you go and you get a lot of money.
Water.
This helps you to get better at what you do.
Unlike you. Life coach.
Life coach.
Coach.
Take away the coach.
Okay, on top of the Hollywood Hills, there's all these big houses.
Mansions.
And we wait.